All right. I want everybody to just kind of relax, listen to the words, and just really get into the vibe of this song, okay? Here we go. Hey, yo, I can't put my finger on it, but love is a funny thing. It makes me laugh, makes me want to scream. It's supposed to be one of the finer things in life, whether it be your boo or your wife. Sorta like a roller coaster, bumpy ride up and down, spinning your world round and round. Experience of learning, hearts burning, many avenues of this thing that we're yearning, testing my patience. But before I was patiently waiting, now it seems that I'm always debating how I feel, what's fraud and what's real. I mean, I love him, but does he really fit the bill for me and what I need? They say I'm picky. Darn right I pick mine instead of letting the wrong one pick me. 2 minus 1 equals me, and by myself is one way I'm not afraid to be. L-O-V-E is the kind of thing that makes us go crazy. L-O-V-E, L-O-V-E. I'm on cloud 9 and now I feel fine. It's got my mind hazy. L-O-V-E, L-O-V-E. I mean, we get lonely, but I don't want to settle. I'd rather have a brother that can get on my level, teach me new things and massage my mental. Not too complicated, not too simple. The artsy intellectual type about his woman, and never hesitate to get that dough, man. This love thing got you going in circles, got you doing them flips and dips, jumping over hurdles. Love songs and love letters, trying to stay together. Nothing wrong with changing for the better. Thin lines between love and hate, makeups and breakups, people trying to relate, using the exterior as bait, depending on the physical, while the interior deteriorates. Now wait, whatever happened to the days when brothers took a sister on a date? Ladies, can I get a witness? We let them brothers that be handling their business, that walk around acting like they got senses and got class, knowing how to treat the missus. Here we go. L-O-V-E is the kind of thing that makes us go crazy. L-O-V-E, that's right, y'all. L-O-V-E. I'm on cloud 9 and now I feel fine. It's got my mind hazy. L-O-V-E, L-O-V-E, L-O-V-E should never beat or mistreat you. If you don't got it for self, it could defeat you. Superficial love, the kind that misleads you. Some apparent like shirt stains that bleed through. Hearts on sleeves, heels under heads, head over their heels. Shorties making bets and deals on girls that they feelin'. Reversal roles of this new age, now heads so big they banging ceilings. From day one it was battle of the sexes, now we taking it too far and talking reckless. Chivalry was never dead, just too many dudes trying to get a chick in bed. Too many slick chicks trying to play with dudes' heads, and the ones who got sent are steady getting misread. But I stay focused, I'm on my grizzly, and all them simpletons I throw them like a frisbee. So if you're feeling what you're hearing when I'm talking to the children, take heed when I say L-O-V-E. Let's go. L-O-V-E is the kind of thing that makes us go crazy. If you want to sing, say L-O-V-E. Let me hear y'all. L-O-V-E. That's right. I'm on cloud 9 and now I feel fine. It's got my mind hazy. L-O-V-E. Yeah. L-O-V-E. L-O-V-E is the kind of thing that makes us go crazy. L-O-V-E, L-O-V-E. I'm on cloud 9 and now I feel fine. It's got my mind hazy. L-O-V-E, L-O-V-E. Yeah, it's about that time, y'all, that we take it back. Bring it back to that true essence of love. Stop the games. Just do what you feel in your heart. Either for your husband or your wife, or that special one in your life. Let's do what's right, y'all. Don't be afraid to pull out that chair or open that door. Don't be afraid to say I love you. Yeah. L-O-V-E, bring the music back. L-O-V-E is the kind of thing that makes us go crazy. Come on, audience. L-O-V-E, let me hear you what? L-O-V-E. That's right. I'm on cloud 9 and now I feel fine. It's got my mind hazy. L-O-V-E. Last time, L-O-V-E. Here we go. L-O-V-E is the kind of thing that makes us go crazy. L-O-V-E. Sing with me. I'm on cloud 9 and now I feel fine. It's got my mind hazy. L-O-V-E. L-O-V-E. Yeah, thank you.